If you ask me what I came to do in this world, an artist, I will answer you, I'm here to live out loud. This is the quote of French novelist, journalist, and playwright Emile Zola. He was born on 2nd April 1840 in Paris. His father was an Italian engineer, but Emile lost him at the age of 7 and later he got into boarding college Bourbon in 1852. He came back to Paris in 1858 and started writing romantic style, though his mother had planned law career but he failed the examination twice. Before his breakthrough as a writer, Zola worked for minimal pay as clerk in shipping firm and then in the sales department for the publisher Hachette. He also wrote literary and art reviews for newspaper. Later he got married in 1870 with Eleanor Alexandrine and both of them took care of his mother. They were childless, but Alexandrine had a child before marriage, and when Emil got to know this, they tried to found that girl, but unfortunately she had died. Later in 1888, Alexandrine hired Jane Rosert, 21 years old seamstress, in their home in Medan. 48 years old Emil fell in love with Jane and had two children. Later in 1891, Alexandrine got to know about this affair and their marriage brought to the brink of divorce. During his early life, Zola wrote numerous short stories and essays, 4 plays, and 3 novels. Kantesaninen, published in 1864, with the publication of his sordid autobiographical novel La Confession the Cloud, 1865, attracting police attention, so Hachette fired Zola. After his first major novel, Therese Roquevin, 1867, Zola started the series called Les Rougon-Macquart. Zola died on 29 September 1902 of carbon monoxide poisoning caused by an improperly ventilated chimney. His enemies were blamed for his death because of previous attempts on his life, but nothing could be proven at that time. Later in 1953, investigation by journalist Jean Bedel published the newspaper Liberation under the headline "Was Zola Assassinated?" raised idea that Zola's death might have been a murder rather than an accident. This is the life story of Emile Zola. He was best known practitioner of literary school of naturalism and an important contributor to development of theatrical naturalism. So friend, if you want to know more about his literary style, then let us know in the comment section. If you liked this video, then do subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends. We will meet soon with another video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.